Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At ito lang nga, grabe, ito yung post ni David kahapon sa kanyang Facebook account. Mukhang lumang picture na ito nung dating nagtagaytay siya. So, yun na nga. Next naman ay yung video niya sa Gabor. Ayan, David Licauco. Let's watch this.
Hey Gabor Kadas, this is David Licauco, Gabor's newest ambassador. Of course, I'm really happy and grateful for this opportunity. And when I heard about na ako nga yung first ever ambassador, mas natuwa ako, mas na-excite just because I know na yung thought process na kailangan pag-isipan kapag magpipili ka ng ambassador is talagang matagal. So, it's nice to represent a brand na talagang maganda yung products. My life is actually super fast-paced, I would say, kasi, I'm a businessman and at the same time, I'm an actor, may family pa ako. So talagang tedious siya. But of course, kailangan ko rin ng magandang brand for my cooking at home since I live alone. And I think Gabor's products are really efficient and maganda. I'm super excited sa pag-try ng mga products. I like how sleek the design is, and also it's very easy to use. Pwede siya maging design at home. I can speak Bicolano. I love beef tapa. I eat super fast, mga 3 minutes. I'm not a fan of ampalaya. I wake up 6 a.m. pag walang taping.
So, cooking at home or dining out?
Cooking at home.
What food trend doesn't sit right with you?
Actually, wala because I enjoy both yung mga trend and hindi nag-trend.
Lunch or dinner?
Dinner.
What's your favorite post-workout?
Favorite is chicken and asal with java rice using Gabor's air fryer.
Okay, so yun na kayo mga takeaway dun sa video. So, hindi kumakain ng ampalaya si David. At saka 3 minutes lang daw siyang kumain, mabilis. At saka mag-isa lang siya sa bahay, sa condo niya. And he can speak Bicolano. Kasi taga-ano sila, di ba? Tabaco City, Albay. Okay? Naman ay post ng stylist na si Nathan Perolino. Shoot today. Sweet setup. At ang nakakapagtaka, sabay siyang nag-post ng stylist naman ni Barbie na si Genre na may caption na work na tayo ulit, self. So hindi ko alam kung kay Barbie ang mga sapatos na yan. But anyway, ito naman yung TikTok video na pinost ni Sai Canlas ng Maggie Magic Syrup. Let's watch this.
To say that I love my job would be an understatement. I found a job that challenges, excites me, and it makes me grow and I love it. I'm not saying that it's easy, but it's so fulfilling and it keeps me grounded. Guys, I personally hate a no-brainer job. Anyway, today was our D-Day for Maggie and we visited the Commonwealth Market. Wish I could have had the time to shop there because I was surprised by how much cheaper it is than the grocery store. After that, we went to taping. Guys, please catch your Barda episodes in GMA and also check the Maggie page. Anyway, today's shoot was with David and Barbie. They're so cute and nakakakilig, to be honest. And guys, I got really full during the whole day of set because the chef prepared us a lot of food and I didn't even get to film most of it. So we had breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, merienda, snack again, then dinner, and desserts in between. And for request, iced coffee. I just anchored the whole time, then we did the shoot, and that was it for today. Success. Finally going home because I'm super tired. Our call time was around 5 a.m. After packing up, the driver took us home, and that's it for today. Bye!
Diba? Tignan nyo. Pati si Sai ay nakyutan sa barda. Tignan naman ito picture na to. Grabe, no? Bagay na bagay talaga. Ang cute nila. At, yes, yun na nga. Namili sila sa Commonwealth Market. Namili din siguro sila Barbie tsaka si David doon. Kasi may balita na malengke yata sila magkasama. Mga ganon-ganon. At ito naman yung mga chismis na nasa Twitter, guys. Ito yung mga chismis, guys. Press con na bukas daw ng Barda, abangan. And this is the press con of Pulang Araw. Grabe. Exclusive dito yan now. Hindi nyo pa nabalitaan sa ibang yan. channel. At December daw sana yung press con at nagbago ng isip. Bukas na raw agad. Grabe. It's so exciting. At next ay pinahulaan nga sa amin kung sino yung mga cast na kasama sa Pulang Araw. At may 4 na main cast, si AR, BF, DL, at saka SL. Press con on Thursday. So si BF, Barbie Fortesa, DL, David Licauco, yung SL at saka AR, ang yano nila, hinala nila si Alden Richards at saka si Sanya Lopez. Uy, grabe pag si Sanya, makapaglandian ba si Barbie at saka si David pag nandun siya? Char. Anyway, ayan o. So legit na si Alden at Sanya. So hindi pa masyadong kinonfirm ng aming source. And next one would be okay, wait natin tomorrow kung totoo ang Chismis. So 4 na episode daw yung Maggie Magic Sarap cooking ni Barbie at saka ni David. So wala pa raw TV schedule, abangan. At may Barda guesting sa Family Feud, Barbie versus David sa December. Grabe. At itong source naming si Ellie, sabi niya Bads, Barbie, Alden, David at Sanya. Naalam niya na pala since November 6. Kaya lang hindi masyadong nag-issue kasi wala pang leakage. Okay, so meron daw yatang love triangle na mangyayari sa Pulang Araw. Ay, pero maganda yun guys kung Alden, Barbie, tsaka David magla-love triangle. Ay, I like that. Para siyang linglang, girl. Joke. So yun na nga guys, abangan natin kung totoo yung chismis na bukas na ang press ko ng Pulang Araw. I'm so excited. Grabe. Okay, now if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you on my next vlog. Bye!